If you haven't traveled, then you haven't lived. Traveling can be exhilarating, inspiring, and opens our life to a whole new world. It expands our mind, enriches our life with new experiences, and widens our horizon. We see amazing sights, meet interesting people, and learn a lot about ourselves and life. But if not planned well, traveling can be a nightmare. Sometimes you can also pay a lot of money and have disappointing experiences. It doesn't have to be expensive to be great. And it's the simple things in life that often provide us with the most valuable experiences. And that's why you have to choose the best in the business. Welcome to Royal India Holidays, where we help you discover such experiences which you can treasure all your life. It takes a travel enthusiast to understand your needs and concerns. And credit goes to Newton Singh, the man behind Royal India Holidays. His vast gamut of knowledge, caliber to nurture interpersonal skills, and immense dedication in the travel industry has earned him considerable repute among some of the world-class travel companies. Our rates and services cannot be matched, as we customize and our experienced team handpicks collection of luxury hotels, packages and destinations as per your individual taste and preference. From enjoying shopping sprees to local bazaars, strolling through handcraft fairs and experiencing cultural shows, to relaxing amidst soothing spas and Ayurvedic centers, we arrange for travelers the best deluxe deals and options. Luxury is the foreword in every service we render. Some of these include hotel reservation and exclusive offers with world-class accommodation options, personalized luxury services and tour planning with special concierge services, luxury coaches, buses and luxury sedans and SUV rentals along with well-trained and basic English-speaking chauffeurs. Our luxury packages are designed keeping in mind of how you want your experience to be. You can, however, state your interest under the following segments. Special interest tours. Our continuous efforts in exploring new regions and sites in India, Nepal and Bhutan has led to the introduction of special signature tours that incorporate the varying interests of our clients. We design tours that appeal to your interest. These tours, however, can only be organized for 10 or more people. Luxury travel is what we excel in, and we are associated with some of the top-notch hotels across the country, while offering exceptional travel services in private vehicles as well as luxury coaches like the Palace on Wheels or the Maharaja Express. The destinations that we exclusively focus on include the Indian subcontinent, India, Bhutan, Nepal and Sri Lanka. We also take pride in being recognized as an allied member of the Indian Association of Tour Operators. We are also a certified member of the Toft India Wildlife Association as Destination Management Company for the year 2013-2014. Choose your destination, and at Royal India Holidays, we'll make it our priority. We work with a mission to help you indulge your love of travel, to narrow down the endless options of hotels, sites, destinations to those that feel really special. We make sure of going the extra mile to reach the optimum satisfaction level of each customer by tailoring services in tune with their individual requirements.